So welcome friends, let's talk about intent, which plays a very important role for navigation or from switching from one Android component to another Android components. And here Android plays a very vital role. So as per the definition, an intent is a description of an operation to be performed, and an intent is an object used to request an action from another app component via Android system. So by using an intent, what we can do? We can perform the navigation. Second, we can invoke another application component. And third, we can start a service. Fourth, we can invoke a broadcast receiver. So it plays a very important role. So here we will talk about how we can use intent to perform navigation within an activity. And later on, when we move to the services and broadcast receiver, we will learn how we can use intent to invoke broadcast receiver or the services. And it's very easy, my friend. So the point to be remembered here, by using an intent, you can invoke Android component. Out of 5 main component, you can invoke activity, you can invoke services, and you can invoke broadcast receiver. You cannot invoke content provider. That is a different scenario, that is a different case. So keep in mind, so how this intent work. For example, if you want to move from one activity to, you can say, activity A to activity B, let's say by pressing a simple button, and what you can do, you can use a intent. All right, and you can invoke an intent by passing an intent object inside a start activity method. And what will happen, it will move to the Android system, and then Android system will search for that particular invocation, that which class that you, which activity or which service, which broadcast you want to invoke. And based on this invocation, what will happen, it will call that particular activity, and then activity will start, or a service will start, or a broadcast receiver will start. So it's so simple, my friend, because we are learning Android, and Android means we use a Java here. So it's very simple, very simple to create Android objects and all, and calling the simple methods. So not only we can use intent to invoke another application component, but also we can pass messages. So if you want to send some kind of message from activity A to activity B, you can pass that message as a format of a key and value pair by calling some of the method. That method name is put extra. So let's learn this particular concept by an example. So I will start with the first basic example where I'm going to create an application, and we will try to send a message from an activity A to activity B. And we will talk about the different types of intent, and basically the different types of intents are the explicit intent and implicit intent. So we will go through these two different types of intent, and that's all for today. And from the next tutorial, I will start creating this very simple application. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.